Watch this video until the end and listen to this important message.
Today's topic is all about what you should and should not keep under your bed. Many of us neglect this area of our room, using it as a storage space for things we no longer use, or worse, as a place to dump our garbage. However, did you know that whatever is under your bed is what your subconscious absorbs while you sleep? If you're wondering what your subconscious is absorbing, all you have to do is take a look under your bed. You might be surprised by what you find. This could also explain why some things in your life are taking longer to manifest. To help you improve your life, I have a recommendation that has worked for many people. First, I suggest that you clean under your bed and avoid storing anything there. Try to keep it clean at least once a month. If you must keep something there, put it in a wooden or cardboard box. But make sure it is the best box you have. Then, think about what you want in life and what you lack. This could be anything from health to wealth, to owning your own home. Choose a photo, an object, or even write a sentence that represents your goal. For example, if you want to attract money, place a bill of any denomination in the box. If you want a home, print a picture of the front of the house you desire. Once you have selected your goals, keep them in the box under your bed. You can also add new goals to the box whenever you have them. The idea is to use this space as a manifestation tool for your desires. Over time, you'll begin to see the positive changes in your life as your goals begin to manifest. In summary, taking care of what you keep under your bed can have a significant impact on your life. Use this space as a tool for manifesting your goals and desires. Remember to clean it regularly and keep it organized. By following this simple recommendation, you'll notice that your life improves day by day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with more videos like this one that will help you improve your life.
Type Amen if you believe in miracles. Watch this important message right now.